Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Ford Ecosport key battery. This easy method will have your key working like new in just a few minutes. First, gather your materials: a new CR2032 battery and a small, flathead screwdriver. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the process much smoother. Let's get started with opening the key fob. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or seam, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Insert your small, flathead screwdriver into this opening. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the fob should separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you will see the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.